Welcome to this course on aerial photography and videography with the use of quadcopters. My name is Mark, and here's a look at what you can expect inside this course. This video course is all about helping you start taking amazing aerial photos and videos as quickly as possible, all while avoiding many of the pitfalls or problems that you might run into when choosing a quadcopter, when learning how to fly, and while learning how to stay safe and be a confident pilot. I've built several multi-rotors myself, including this hexacopter, and in this course I'm going to help you select the right aerial platform for your needs. I've been lucky enough to be able to be capturing aerial video and photos for over 2 years now, and I've traveled to several different countries and many different locations with my quadcopter, capturing everything from the wild Alaskan scenery to cityscapes in Prague and even the blue oceans of the Maldives. I have seen some amazing things, and that is the main objective of this course, is to help you get up in the air as quickly as possible and get you capturing stunning imagery, all while teaching you how to be a safe and confident pilot. So I'm looking forward to having you as a student in this course. Remember that everyone who purchases the course has 30 days access to my email and my phone number if you have any questions, or you need me to help walk you through anything while getting into this fun and amazing hobby of aerial photography and videography. I will be here for you. So thanks, and enjoy the course.